Hello everybody, SA Apps Info here. Hope you are well. Today I will show you if you face these kinds of problem in your Facebook app, then today I will solve this obviously. So don't panic, let's jump to the video. First of all, if you are facing this kinds of problem, then first of all restart your device by clicking on the power button holding, and you can see an option that restart device. Click on that and then restart your device. If then this is not working, then go to your settings and then go to the apps option. Mine is here. Here is the apps option, and then scroll down and go to the Facebook app, and here you can see lots of things here. App info, obviously on the Facebook app info here, and then click to the force stop and then click to the OK and scroll down, and here you can see option that storage and cache. Click on that and click to the clear cache option, and after some moments it will clear that cache. Yes, here it is. And then basically check the permissions, which check the which you allowed and which you don't allow. I allowed camera, contacts, files and media, and basically microphone and phone. So if you didn't give access on those, give those by allow only while using the app, and then this kind of. After that Facebook will start normally. Yes, Facebook has start normally. So I hope you like this video. If it helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative tips and tricks. So goodbye.